Hi everyone. In this video we're going to get set up for the course, and in order to do that we're going to need to install Anaconda. So Anaconda includes Python and some other really useful packages. This version of the video is for Windows. So I'm running Windows 10 in this video, and I'm going to walk you through installation of Anaconda and PyCharm. So PyCharm is what you're going to use for your IDE, or Integrated Development Environment. Basically what it is once you have Python, PyCharm allows you to type all your Python code and run it and see the output. And for me, this is what I've always used, but you can of course use whatever IDE or whatever else you want. But for this video, we're going to install these two. So let's go to Anaconda. Click the link and go to download. Since we're on Windows 64-bit, we're going to click this. Keep the file. So I already downloaded this just to practice. So this is just going to be a copy of the exe file. So I will go to the original here. And then once that's done installing, you just click the exe file. It takes you to a setup window. So you're just going to click next. I agree. Install just for yourself. Choose a destination folder. And you're going to click register Anaconda as my default Python. Don't add it to your path environment variable. Click install. So this will take maybe a minute or two, so just be patient, maybe go grab a coffee, and once that's done we can finish with the Anaconda and then get PyCharm. And actually, while we're waiting, maybe I will get PyCharm going. So we'll put this up here and we'll go to the PyCharm website. So from the PyCharm website we download. We're going to download the community version. It's free. Keep the file. And after we install Anaconda, we'll go ahead and install PyCharm. So the installation for Anaconda is complete. We're going to click next. It recommends we install PyCharm, but that's what we've already done. So we're going to click next. Uncheck these boxes and click finish. So you have Anaconda on your computer now. So now we need PyCharm, so we're going to click this download link. Click yes. And now we're just going to click next in the installer window. So select the PyCharm edition that you want to. Okay, so I already have a version here, so I'm going to uninstall that. You probably won't see that, so you're just going to click next. If you already had PyCharm on your computer, you would see this window and you'd have to uninstall the previous version. So this is more like what you would see. You would see choose an install location. You're going to click next. You have the option to create a shortcut. I would create .py association. So basically all the Python files, you're going to open them with PyCharm. So that's useful. Click next. Click install. And so that's going to install. Might take a minute or two. So now that the installation's done, we can go ahead and run PyCharm. We're not going to import any settings, and we're going to skip the remaining and set defaults. So we can create a new project here, and I'll just go ahead with the default. Here we're going to use Conda, which is what we installed for our Python environment. And in this case I have Anaconda, so I can go to Anaconda 3. And for scripts, I can go to Anaconda 3, scripts, and conda.exe. Here we go. Okay. We're using Python 3.8. And we'll go ahead and make that available for all of our projects. We don't need to create this. We can go ahead and hit create. So this is bringing our Anaconda installation into PyCharm, and it'll allow us to just start coding. Alright, so to start coding, to type your Hello World program, we can right click on this folder, new, and we'll create a new Python file. Call it whatever you want. Let's just call it Hello World. And in this file, we can just type print Hello World. And we will click run. Click run again. And click on the file that we're wanting to run. So it's this one, Hello World. So our Python program worked. We printed Hello World to the console here. And hopefully you were able to make it through this video without any issues. If you have any problems, feel free to email me or the TAs. And have a good day.